Okay. So if I just make some extensions over these extensions or the frills over here, if I just try to dislocate them, maybe just try to strike a line over here like this. Okay, this one. Now see this thing, the thing that I'm numbering as 1 and the other thing that I'm numbering as 2. Can I say area of 1 is equal to area of 2? Can I say this? Tell me. Do you all agree with this point? So area of 1 is equal to area of 2, right? And this is evident in all the figure, all the these small squares, right? This is 1, this is 2. Here also. This is 1, this is 2. Over here also. 1 and 2. So areas of this thing is similar. Okay. Now what about the dimension of the figure? So if we talk about this particular triangle, so this is 7 centimeters. So this is 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. So this figure is 7 and 7. What will be the dimension of the hypotenuse here? It will be 7 root 2. Because it is a right angle triangle over here, right? So right angle triangle means the hypotenuse will be 7 root 2. Okay, are you all able to understand this? Okay, now we have to find the area of the black portion over here. Okay, let us see how we solve it. Okay, now just pay attention over this one. So this small part I have just extended over here, and what I can see, I'm just naming it as A, B, C, and D. Okay, these are the 4 different areas or different segments of this piece, right? So I'm naming as A, B, C, and D. Now let us consider only one section of the whole figure. The image is partitioned in mainly as A, B, C, D. We clearly see area of C and D is equal. See this. This is what I was mentioning. Okay, area of C and D is equal. Now what is the area of A? Can we find the area of A? That is half. It is the half of the square. Now the area of whole square is 7 into 7. That is 49. So this is nothing but 49 by 2. Okay, this is coming as 24.5. So area of A we have got. Okay. Now what is area of C? Now it can be obtained in the following way. Area of C is equal to area of half the square minus area of sector of B. This is the sector of B. You know what is sector? In any circle, this portion is called sector. Okay, so this is a sector of C. Sector will always have some angle, theta. Okay, so now how you find the area of sector? So note that area of B and C taken together is half the area of the square. So area of B and C if you take together is half the square. Now area of B is equal to sector of length 7 centimeters. So this length is 7 centimeters. Okay, and degree is 45 degree. This will have a degree of 45 degree. Why it is 45? Can someone tell me? Why it is 45?
So half of 90 degree of the square
half
angle.
Of 90. Very good. Half of 90 because this is making a right angle over here also. So if you see clearly, this is a right angle triangle. This is just half of it. So sector is equal to the theta is equal to 45 degree in this case. Okay. So this is also evident. Now if we find the area, it will be theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the area of the sector that we find. Okay. Theta upon 360 pi r square. Normally it is pi r square for a circle, but if there is a sector, an angle involved on it, you have to find not the whole circle but just one part of the circle. Then you will always have to have the angle for which you're finding of the sector and divide it by 360. Now if it is whole circle, then it will be 360 by 360. That will make 1. Hence it is pi r square. But if it is not a complete circle, it is a sector, then the area of triangle or whatever theta was there, that will be. So just put the values over here. Remember, you have to take pi s 22 by 7 as it was mentioned in the question itself. Okay, just put the values. It will be 45 upon 360 into 22 by 7, which is the value of pi, and 7 into 7. So ultimately, your B will come as 19.25. Okay, so B, the area of B is 19.25. Now we need to find area of C. That will be 24.5. 24.5 is this area that we have already taken, right? Minus 19.5. This will come as 5.25. And again, area of D will also be 5.25. Okay, now since we have to find the area. Okay, so area of the black pattern is A plus D plus C. You have to omit C from the whole thing. So it will be 24.5 plus 5.5 plus 5.5. That is coming at 35. Now in this whole figure, there are 4 such patterns. So 35 into 4 will give you 140. And 140 is your answer. Is that okay, guys? Did you all understand this? Everyone in the class? Was it a difficult question? Tell me, honestly.
No, sir.
It is not a difficult question. Just applying some logic. Class 10th level student can also solve this question. Class 10th, in class 10th, there used to be something related to sectors and all this. Maybe in class 9th onwards, people study. So class 10th, I'll pick up, right? So class 10th onwards, you can very well solve it. Now remember one more thing. All the questions which have come from geometry have been from class 10th level only. They have not exceeded class 10th level till now. And they will not exceed beyond that also. And there is a logical reason behind it. The logical reason is everyone is eligible to write UCEED exam, whether you are from a student or a humanities background or from arts background, anyone. So they understand that people have studied the maths till class 10th only. So questions will be only from that level. They will not exceed it in any case. Okay. So we are done with this question.